Today we will know about computer language or programming language. In one sentence, computer language is that language we communicate with computers. Computer is a type of machine. Machine understand only 0 and 1 form, which is a form of machine-level language known as binary. But we prefer to understand English words, statements, or sentences. That's why we use programming language to communicate with a machine or a computer. The way to communicate with computers is called program. That's why computer language is also known as programming language. And who do this work they known as a programmer. Basically, we can divide computer language in two major parts. Number 1, high-level language. And number 2, low-level language. High-level language. High-level language is crafted by combining mathematical symbols and natural language and characters. For this, a programmer can understand easily, but a little far from a machine. Low-level language. Low-level language is machine-dependent, as a machine can understand easily. Because low-level language is written in binary or assembly language, so little tough to understand for a programmer. Now we know about computer language. Computer program, programmer, and types of programming language. Thanks for watching.